Oh, that guy, he ain't laughing. He's
What
looking
the fuck are you doing?
Look at this guy.
Hey, lean against the truck!
This guy here is on a unicycle.
These guys are making fun.
Lean against the truck! Tell him to wait a minute.
Tell him to wait.
Tell him to wait a minute so you can lean against it.
Tell him you work for the Barnum and Bailey. You're just practicing.
Tell him circus is back in town.
Hey guys, by the way.
Are you recording this shit?
See you guys.
Dumb shit.
One to the right a little. It's not as deep. To the right.
To the right.
Yeah, the right.
Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. To the right. To the right. To the right. Come on.
Oh, my fucking feet hurt so bad I couldn't pedal.
Damn, why couldn't you do that shit the first time?